Hey, my dear friends. I hope you're all doing well and everything's going your way. So far, I've really enjoyed it. Welcome to another video. Today, I want to talk to you about Google Chrome. Some settings and let's say some things you absolutely have to do on it. Do these things on Google Chrome to speed it up and make everything more easily accessible for you. I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell as well. Turn it on. So whenever I upload a new video, you'll get notified right away, can watch it and enjoy. The first thing, a lot of you guys have this problem and mention it. For example, when we open Google Chrome, it uses up a lot of our device's RAM. And if we open another app or a game at the same time, it keeps lagging and gets really annoying, making the device work harder and putting even more strain on the RAM, guys. The first thing you need to do is open Chrome and tap on these three dots, go to the settings section, and a page like this will open. Then go to the system section and pay attention to the first option. This is about when you close Chrome. The application is your Google Chrome running in the background. That means it's constantly using up your device's RAM, or basically draining your device's resources. So make sure, absolutely make sure to turn off this option so that when you close Google Chrome, it won't keep running in your system's background. The second point, which is really important, everyone says, for example, when we download with IDM, the speed is higher. Why is it so slow and frustrating with Google Chrome? Let me explain to you in IDM. I'll explain. When you go to the options section, then to the connection tab, here you can set, for example, you can set how many parts the file you're downloading will be split into for downloading. It could be just one part or two or four or eight or the maximum, which is 32. So when you're downloading a file, it splits it into 32 parts and downloads all 32 at the same time. It downloads 2 parts at a time, and that's why you can download faster with IDM. You can download faster this way. Now, if you want to get higher speeds and download faster in Google Chrome, you definitely need to do this. In your Google Chrome, search for this phrase, Chrome, : 2 slashes, and then flags. Type it in here, and once you do, a page like this will open. When the page opens, you need to type parallel here, downloading. An option like this will appear. By default, it's set to normal, but you should, when you enable it and start downloading, you'll see that the download speed in Google Chrome gets much faster. It increases a lot. Now, some people say, hey, for example, let's say we want to open a website using Google Chrome itself. We want to start downloading, but we'd prefer that when we click, it downloads for us using IDM. And when you open a page, we want to start downloading, but we'd prefer that when we click, it downloads for us using IDM. And when you open a page, at the top you need to type CHROM : extensions. When you type that in, a page like this will open for you so that you can use IDM. When you open a site with Chrome and you want to download a movie, a file, or anything else, you need to use this phrase, IDM integration module. Make sure to search for it in the address bar at the top, and you'll see an option like this. By enabling it, you can easily download any video you open directly with IDM. Now, for example, I'm going to open YouTube. I'm searching, guys, for a song by Mr. Mohsen Yegane. Guys, once it loads, you can see up here it says download this video. When you click on it, you can choose any quality you want, click on it, and a page will open. When you click on Start Download, you can easily download this video, so you don't even need to use Chrome itself to download anymore. Now, I'll explain some of these so-called items that I've put here for you, because they're really useful and you can easily use them. The first item is what's called Acrobat Reader, which you can easily open your PDF files right in Chrome, and you can even do some light editing. You can search for words using the search bar at the top, and it highlights them nicely for you. When you click on this item, all the items you've saved here will show up for you. It's on your Google Chrome, and by clicking this pin, you can add it up here. By clicking this pin again, you can remove it from this section of the address bar. The second option is Enhancer for YouTube videos. So when you open YouTube, you can it translates and subtitles those videos for you in Persian. For example, when you open a video, there's a blue drop icon for this enhancer, and when you click it, you can select the original language and then use the translator to translate it into another language. You can just select the language you want the subtitles in, and it's super easy. You can watch the subtitles for the video right on YouTube itself. And the third option is the emoji keyboard. This is for times when, for example, you're writing an email or leaving a comment under a video, and it's really useful. When you're typing, you can easily tap this option at the top. Then you'll see that all the emojis are here, like stickers, flags, and so on. Other things too, like hand signs and other items. The fourth item is Google Dictation, which you can also use. Whether you use it or not, the fifth item is Chrome's own download manager, and the sixth item is TubeBuddy. That's for people who work with YouTube or have a channel and videos. It's just like TubeBuddy, which is really useful for those who have a YouTube channel or work with YouTube. It's useful for them and gives them good information. So guys, definitely make sure to do this for your Chrome so it runs faster. And so you can use it more easily, and you can easily download any video you like. Thanks a lot for sticking with me until the end of the video. If you have any questions, definitely leave a comment under this video. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I'd really appreciate it if you like, comment, subscribe, and also hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. That way, you'll get the notification right away and be the first to watch and enjoy it. First, may you be wealthy. Second, may you be healthy. Third, love y'all. Until the next video, goodbye.